Easy Handrail is ideal for both professional and do-it-yourself installations since no special tools or skills are required. Whether installed at your home, business, or commercial project, you can rest assured the 25-year finish warranty and low maintenance of Easy Handrail will provide years of satisfaction and safety. In this video, we will show you how to assemble and install the 1-inch square baluster stair railing between easy posts. Before you start, ensure you have the proper tools: level, chop saw, 60 to 80 tooth wood blade, safety glasses, 5/16 inch hex bit driver, 1/4 inch hex bit driver, long shaft is helpful, tape measure, pencil, screw gun, ear protection, 1 24-inch 2x4. To get started, let's determine the angle at which the balusters will be cut. To do so, place a 2x4 on the 2-inch side across the nose of at least 2 stair treads. Next, place a level standing on end on the tread and draw a straight line up the length of the level onto the 2x4. Now, set your chop saw to the angle matching your pencil line on the 2x4 and cut each end of the baluster. It is very important to make sure you cut both ends of the balusters parallel to one another so the top and bottom rails attach properly and the baluster screw channels align. Carefully cut the remainder of the balusters exactly the same size. Now it is time to size the railing. Measure the opening and cut the top snap and bottom channel at least 1 foot greater than the opening size. Helpful tips: stair runs of 40 degrees or greater may require elongated holes and/or shorter fasteners to secure balusters. The shorter 1-inch fasteners are included in the pivot bracket kit. To elongate holes, use a 13/64-inch drill bit in an up and down motion within the existing hole and parallel with the rail. Do not widen the holes side to side. After all the balusters are cut, place pre-drilled bottom channel on its side, protecting the painted surface from scratching. Position balusters on flat side of bottom channel, aligning the pre-drilled holes. Fasten both 1.5-inch fasteners through bottom channel, halfway into balusters. Repeat until all balusters are loosely fastened to bottom channel. Place top snap on opposite side of balusters, making sure pre-drilled holes are correctly aligned. Fasten both 1.5-inch fasteners through top snap into the balusters halfway. Repeat until all balusters are loosely fastened to top snap. Next, dial down your drill setting and tighten all screws, ensuring pickets are straight. Number 18 on most drills works best. Do not over-tighten. Now you are ready to make your final cuts. Temporarily hold or attach pivot brackets to posts. Place your railing section against the posts in line with your pivot brackets to ensure the correct length, and mark all 4 locations 1/4 inch shorter than the inside back wall of the pivot bracket. Cut the top snap and bottom channel using a 60 to 80 tooth wood saw blade on your chop saw. Cut top cap to the exact length of the top snap. Repeat this step for each stair section being installed. Next, attach and align the top cap with the top snap, making sure one end is flush. Starting at one end, squeeze the top cap and top snap together until it pops in place. Continue snapping down the top cap until reaching the end of your railing. Then, slide the top pivot brackets and bottom pivot brackets over the ends of the railing. Position the railing at the proper height. Centering the brackets on the posts, mark the fastener hole locations. Pre-drill fastener holes with a 1/8 inch bit. Then fasten railing brackets in place with 1-inch fasteners. After railing is securely in place, drill a pilot hole and fasten through the side of all 4 pivot brackets on non-visible side of railing. For 8-foot railing sections, we recommend installing the mid-support stabilizer. To do so, miter cut the top of the mid-support to the angle of the balusters. Then, using the pre-drill pilot holes, attach the mid-support to the top snap creating a T configuration as shown with 1.5-inch fasteners. Once your railing is installed, place mid-support at center of rail. If necessary, measure from step to the bottom rail and cut the mid-support to the proper height. Snap the top snap section of the mid-support to the bottom rail of your railing section. Note, upward pressure must be applied to your railing section in order to slide and snap the mid-support stabilizer in place. Thank you for watching this video. View our installation instructions on our website at easyhandrail.com. For questions about the installation of your Easy Handrail, call 573-365-7085 or email support@easyhandrail.com. Additional Easy Handrail products available at Home Depot. Thank you for watching this video.